Hey, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Tracy and I am a girl with plans. In today's video, I'm going to be creating another currently page, this time using the brand new sticker book, Chic Christmas from Live.Love.Posh. All right, you guys, so you know how it is when you get a new sticker book, you just have to use it. I've already used this once. I did a full flip through as well as a really super quick plan with me video that I will have linked down below in case you want to see this full thing in slow but kind of quick action. I'll just do a quick flip like this for now, but like I said, definitely check out that video if you want to see everything a little bit slower. This book releases on October the 28th, Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. This book is 44 pages. It is $28. I do have a discount code as AGWP10 that will save you 10%. While I'll only be using this sticker book today, this sticker book is also being released on Saturday. This is Hello Winter, and this is their deluxe 60-page sticker book, and this one will be going for $38. This flip through is also in that same video that I will have linked down below in case you're interested, and my discount code works on this as well. I will have links to the shop down in my description box. I would really appreciate it if you would consider using that link as well as my discount code, because that does help me out. And then one final thing, I believe it is Posh Winter that was a release from last year that is being restocked. So if you are a fan more of florals, you might want to check out that book as well. So that is also going to be restocked on Saturday. So basically just check out her whole site on Saturday at, again, that is 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. Or if you want to look at it early, you won't see these books in there yet, but you can kind of see if there's any other things you might want to pick up. And you know, that 10% off does help a little bit, doesn't it? All right, so this is my monthly memories book, which is like my currently page book. I do have to leave a blank space for November because I'm going to be doing December because I want it to get all Christmassy. So I do not really fill out my currently pages until the end of the month. That's why I haven't done November yet. But I really want to use some of these. I really want to use them now. You know, it is going to be 80 degrees today where I am. I live in Virginia. So it feels so far from winter or Christmas, but I just want to use these stickers. And when I did my original flip through, I loved these. And it's like, do I want to use them for my currently page or do I want to go traditional? I don't know, guys. This is always the decision with the new books. This is gorgeous too. So what I am torn between, you can see I've pulled some stickers out of this for that plan with me I did in the previous video. So what I'm torn between is like these kind of traditional Christmas stickers that I think is super cute, or these. Maybe I'll go a little bit more traditional because this book has a lot of fun, whimsical stuff in it. So maybe I'll like definitely change it up for December and just bring on the traditional vibes and go with like the Christmas houses and everything like that. So this notebook that I'm using is from Archer and Olive. It is an 8x8 notebook. I got this earlier in the year when they were having like these like mystery box sales. So like you paid a deeply discounted amount and got a mystery subscription box. And this was part of it. Very happy with it. I'm using a lot of these books for various forms of memory keeping. And I kind of consider like the currently page. If you are in the Happy Planner community, you're probably a little bit more familiar with a currently page, which is like, you know, what you're currently doing for the month, currently planning, feeling, reading. The list goes on and on. Basically, it can be whatever you want it to be. And I had decided that I wanted to put it in a notebook so that way I'm just going to continue it on. So I started this. When did I start this book? I started this book in April. So I'm going to continue it through the end of this year, and then I'll do a 20, like basically probably right here, I'll probably do a 2024 page. And then I will go into January 2024, and I'm gonna just keep going until I run out of space. So yeah, I really enjoy it. I think it's gonna be fun to look at and kind of see changes and like, you know, anything, things I'm watching, things I'm reading, things I'm learning. It's just, it just like, it's a good like progress keeper, I guess, or, you know, just see, it's just interesting, even how things change from year to year, let alone month to month. So, all right. Very fun. So yeah, I figured December is a perfect time to bust out, you know, this sticker book, obviously. I wanted to use it because, in all honesty, when it comes to like Christmas, I'm probably only going to be using it for the 1 month. So I got to use all the stickers that I can, right? All right. So yeah, I absolutely love these books. I did not look at any of the flip throughs. There were like all these sneak peeks, like Live.Love.Posh. She did her own sneak peeks on Instagram and on YouTube. And I was like, I'm not going to look. I'm going to wait until I got it in the mail. And then I left for vacation on like October the 14th. And I think this came in like a few days later. So I just opened it. Yeah, I just opened this up. And I did, you know, my flip through was the first time I had saw it. And I was just so happy with it. So impressed. Although I'm always happy with all of her sticker books. I think they are just gorgeous. It's my vibe. Like, I mean, I know like stickers, it kind of varies based on your vibe. And like, for some reason, Live.Love.Posh is like, she has all the stickers that I personally like. So yeah. All right. So we'll do the outdoor scene here. I'll see if I'll bust out any, might do some of the florals and stuff up at the top. I don't know if I'll be able to use some, maybe I'll use some of the girls for the boxes or something like that to bring them in. I don't know. We'll see. So let me know in the comments, are you interested in any of these books? Are you like, you know, as I know there's so many like winter releases, and that is so crooked. I don't think I can take that off. There's so many of like the winter and holiday sticker releases coming out. Is that something that you get all excited about? Have you already picked up some sticker books for like either winter or holiday releases? Are you planning on picking up this one? Let me know. I am actually probably going to pick up the Posh Winter because I do love florals. And sometimes the florals, I feel like they definitely can, I mean, some of them obviously are going to be wintry, but some of them kind of can go whenever. Some of them aren't as wintry. I mean, they are wintry if you make them look wintry, but if you like pair them with other stickers, you definitely can kind of use them at other times of the year. I mean, the colors are probably going to be more of that bluish palette. Of course, I don't have that book, you know, I didn't have that book, so I can't really do a flip through of that one. But yeah, if I get it in, I'll definitely show you guys because her florals are gorgeous as well. All right, let's see. Are there boxes? And oh, there are definitely some quotes. I think I'm gonna have to pull a different book for boxes. I know she has boxes in the winter book, but I want to leave those in there because they go well with some of the colors in there. And I have plenty of red and green boxes. So let's pull some of those. All right. So I have Functionally Chic red blooms, Functionally Chic green blooms. So these are like floral stickers, but they also have boxes. So I think we're going to use these. So let me grab my pen. All right, so we'll say watching, reading, planning. Learning. And then we'll say looking forward to. Okay. Now I can add some more stuff. All right. Do we want to add girls or do we just want to keep it? This is crooked. Y'all are probably like, y'all can probably see that from the screen. Y'all are probably like, Tracy, I can't believe you just let that sit there. I didn't notice it, guys. I think my book's crooked. Okay. All right. The one thing I do need is I need to add the date. My dates and holiday book. This is the one I had been using, so I think I'm going to just continue. Ooh, but I think I need to use gold. Like, if you're not a fan of, like, gold foil, it's like December is the month you, like, use it, you know? It's like the one month that even if you're not a fan of it, you're like, okay. I guess I can use the gold foil. Okay. Pretty. So I have plenty of room here. So I kind of, ooh, I want these. I was like, I kind of want a tree. And then I saw these and I'm like, I kind of want this. Look how pretty. Do I want to white this out now? It did an okay job. Okay. Y'all, I might be almost done. I feel like this side is actually done. This side needs something over here. But I kind of want to keep it, I think, semi-outdoorsy. Definitely use some bows, though. All right, you really can't see it with that. Maybe I should put it on the other end. Nope, it's there. It is there. That's the only bad thing about, like, sometimes the clear stickers is I feel like once you put them down, they are down. Okay, then we have these little ones. I feel like I can put these, like, maybe like that. Just kind of carry it over just a tad. All right, the only thing here is really, oh, I can do a snowman. And then I'll do a quote. So I'll do the snowman and then I'll do the quote and then I'll be done. So yeah, I don't label these boxes. I just know that they're for like monthly memories, monthly notes or something. So I don't label them to specify. I thought about it. I thought about having like labeling it for like top memory here and then like one journaling page and stuff. But then I was like, you know what? As I'm writing in it, if I want to do that, I'll do that. But I don't know that I want to do that in advance. All right, let's go back to the quotes. Whoops, sorry guys. I am knocking all kinds of stuff on the floor. Okay. So the quotes, you get 2 pages of identical quotes. One is on paper and one is on clear. I think Believe in the Magic might actually be a good one for this. First, I was going to go super Christmassy, and then I'm like, I don't know. I kind of like this one. What do you think, guys? All right, guys, there you have it. That is my December currently page using stickers from Chic Christmas from Live.Love.Posh. As a reminder, this book, as well as this book, goes on sale today. Well, if you're watching it on Saturday the 28th, but it goes on sale Saturday, October 28th at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. That is 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. These books may sell out. Her fall release sold out the same day. And I believe there was also a second sellout when her additional shipment came in. I believe it is available now. So if you wanted to pick up all 3, now's the time to do it because you pay 1 shipping price for all 3 books. I highly, highly recommend these books. And not just because I'm a part of her affiliate team, just because I love these books. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. I did a flip through. I will have that link down below. I will also have a link to her shop down below, and then I will update the description after these books are released to link directly to these books. Remember, I do have a discount code AGWP10 that will save you 10% off of her sticker books. These, as well as any of the other ones, I do recommend you just to take a look at her site to see if there's anything else that piques your interest. Her top tab dividers are like great to consider. They're hard to find. Like, I find it's hard to consider top tab dividers. So if you're already making a purchase, that might be something to consider. I believe it's $10 for a pack. She also has side tab dividers. They're all clear. And she also has frosted covers and clear covers. So definitely just take a look at her site, especially if these have not gone on sale yet. You can go ahead and kind of get your like little list ready. And as I said, you get to save 10% with my discount code. Like I said, I will have all of this stuff linked down in my description box, as well as that code. I would really appreciate it if you would consider using my link and my code, as it does help me out as well as my channel. All right. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. And if you are not already subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. I have so much exciting content that I have planned coming up for the remainder of this year and especially next year. I do plan on bringing you guys some more functional plan with me's. Yeah, you see I like stickers, but I am going to do at least one functional plan with me a week. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed, I would encourage you to do so because I do have some exciting things in the works. All right. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, or night. Until next time, bye.